All right, YouTube. So listen, it's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another banger, as you can see. So we have this a really cute install. I'm gonna show you how I did from beginning to end, and we have an interesting shop talk today. So before I get into the video, I have to announce my monthly $100 giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, comment below, and then leave your Cash App. One of my subscribers is winning $100 and all the products from this video on the 1st. Good luck, y'all. What is going on, YouTube? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with a brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Hershow. They sent me this Italian curly lace front unit. Now, this texture is very similar to Kinky Curly, but on their website, it might say Kinky Curly or the Italian Wave. You just gotta check it out. All right, so modeling today, we have my girl Shanice in the building, and this is funny because we actually went to high school together. Now, she graduated one class above me, but I'm so glad that she's here because she used to come to my shop when I had my very first salon suite, and I haven't done her hair in a minute, so I'm glad she's here today. So our inspiration for today is the beautiful Ari. So she had this really short curly bob that was like shoulder length, and she had 2 pigtails on top, and I'm like, oh, this is cute. And when I saw this wig from Hershow, I was like, this will really, you know, be the perfect wig for this hairstyle. So we kind of like altered it a little bit. She said she wanted just one bun at the top, so that's how we're going to change it a little bit. All right, so of course, to start off this install, I cleansed off the application area with our Sea Breeze, and I applied our stocking cap. Now, I was gonna use the beige cap on her, but I was like, I don't know. I decided to use the medium brown stocking cap, and it actually was perfect. So it's really crazy how wide of like a range of complexions that medium brown cap works. Like, it's crazy, but yeah, it worked today. And as far as tinting the lace, I didn't do much at all. I did a little bit of powder, but that was really it because I knew that once we did the baby hairs and finished off the install that, you know, that line was going to be covered up and, you know, invisible by that point. And also, I kind of like the lace to be a little bit, like a tad bit lighter than the actual model's complexion because it just makes it look real scalpy for some reason when we're done. All right, so as we do this install, let's get into the shop talk for today. Y'all already know whatever happens in the shop stays in the shop. So the topic today is about how to embody more of your feminine energy and attract the type of guys and the type of energy that you actually want to attract to yourself. So in this society, of course, you know, women really have to fend for themselves because our Black man is so torn down and the opportunities for them is limited, and you know, the higher ups have done everything they could to break down the self-esteem of the Black man, so they don't even feel like they are protectors. So women have to assume the role of protecting themselves, and we subconsciously assume a masculine role in our everyday lives. And a lot of us don't even know why we're attracting bitch made guys. Like, we don't know why we're attracting feminine type guys that be all up in their feelings, be emotional, can't fend for themselves, are completely not independent, and we don't know why this is happening to us. But the reason why is because we are subconsciously exuding a masculine energy and automatically attracting the opposite energy. So if you want to break this cycle and attract a masculine man to your life, this video is for you. Number one, we have to untrain our minds and admit the fact that we are actually assuming a masculine energy. Now, this is not our fault, obviously. This is what we were born into. But if we want to break that karmic cycle, we have to realize this within ourselves, take accountability, and just realize it so we can change it. Instead of believing, oh, I'm not going to be soft until a guy comes along and takes care of me, or I don't need a man, or whatever the hell else they made us tell ourselves. Tell yourself things like, I am a woman, I am soft, and I deserve a masculine man to take care of me. I want to assume the role of a feminine, soft woman, and I want a man who is a provider. This is what I'm seeking, and this is what I will have. These are simple affirmations that you can tell yourself every single day to slowly train your subconscious mind to believe that you deserve a masculine man to take care of you, or at least to lead your life, and you deserve to sit in your feminine energy. So after you tell yourself this all the time and you're starting to believe yourself, now it's time to start embodying this to other people. Now, on my social media, I had to really change the way I move. Like, when I dress like a tomboy and when I dress in my sneakers and stuff. Now, mind you, I love that. That's my comfort zone. Even when I go out, I don't mind dressing like a tomboy. But I can't help but realize I don't attract guys when I'm dressed like that. So I had to apply that same concept to my social media. I'm not going to attract men that may be looking at me, seeking me, or seeking a woman if I'm dressed like them. So I had to consciously change the way I dress and change the way I present myself to the world, because I don't want to be this masculine energy attracting feminine guys. I have to sit in my femininity and attract masculine men. Also, on top of that, I had to actually adjust my behavior. Number one, no more chasing guys. Period. That is a masculine trait. Guys are the natural hunters. I'm not chasing a guy, period, point blank. Okay? Y'all, I've made that mistake so many times in the past and didn't even realize I was playing myself. So I definitely had to stop that bad habit. Even if I like a guy, even if I feel like, we have chemistry, we have sexual chemistry, and we should be together, if he's not chasing me, we have nothing. Now, of course, I don't have this energy as we're dating, and when we start to get to really know each other, because of course I'm gonna start putting in energy and putting in effort. But in those very beginning stages, no, sir, you definitely have to chase me and show me that you want me. So another thing that I had to do is learn how to control my emotions. Now, if a guy said something that may have offended me, but he really didn't mean to hurt my feelings, I wasn't going to take it personal. I was going to choose to not respond in a, irrational way. Or if he wasn't, let's say, acting right, quote unquote, or texting me back fast enough, I wasn't going to start an argument or be confrontational. I don't even got time for all that. If he's not acting right, guess what? I'm just going to reciprocate that energy and not hit him up either. Or I'll just calmly tell him, that's not how I roll. You're not coming to my house. We're not taking our relationship to the next level if you're not even doing simple things like courting me or taking me out. That's common sense. And to teach a guy a lesson or to let him know who the fuck you is, you don't have to get angry. You don't have to get irate. And, all you have to do is sit pretty and just let him know, come on now, if you're not acting right, I can find someone that will. Also, another thing that I learned, for myself, how to improve myself and how to embody more of a feminine energy is patience. This kind of goes back to not chasing. If a guy is not communicating with you enough or treating you how you feel like he should, listen, I'm not going to make you. If you are not interested in having a relationship or building something, I can tell by your actions. It's not rocket science. So I learned patience, not trying to force something that's not even there. It gives off a desperate energy when you try to force someone to act a certain way. Just be patient and listen to your intuition. Like, if it doesn't feel right, most likely it's not right. If you think he doesn't care about you, most likely he doesn't care. If you think he has another girl that he puts above you, most likely he does. Okay? And if you think he only wants you for your body, you're right about that too. So with learning, growing, maturing, being in solitude, taking care of myself, I developed a natural just confidence about myself. And when you build that feminine, powerful confidence, it's either gonna make guys step up to the plate or it's gonna completely make them fall off. But either outcome you should be grateful for, because at least you're not wasting your time with a guy that is not serious. So yes, you guys, this was just a few things that I had to change within myself and that I remind myself all the time for me to embody my feminine energy so I can attract masculine energy in the guy that I want. So this hairstyle came out so freaking cute. Yes, I love it, love it, love it. Once again, thank you so much, Hershow, for sponsoring this video with this Italian curly lace front unit. If you guys want this exact wig, I'm gonna put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. Keep it soft, keep it pretty, keep it feminine, and retrain your mind, because these suppressors got us fucked up. See y'all later.